Hi there, I'm Owen with The Simple Dollar, and if you're looking to get into the world of investing beyond maybe the retirement account offered by your employer, you probably have a lot of questions about what to do. And one common route people go with is investing in the stock market through an online brokerage. There are a lot of platforms out there that let you invest in individual stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and a ton of other things. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at two very popular online brokerages, ETrade and TD Ameritrade, putting them head to head in a few key categories and seeing how they compare. But before we really dive into it, if you enjoy this video, it helps you out at all, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up on it. And subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date on all the videos from The Simple Dollar to help you get a handle on your finances. And don't forget to check out thesimpledollar.com. We have so many resources to help you with your money. That should be linked for you down below in the description. Let's get into these brokerages now, starting with their fees and commissions. And one big positive for both is that they don't have any annual fees and they don't have any fees for inactivity. So if you're not the most active trader making trades all day, every day, you're not going to be dinged for that. And neither have any account minimums to open or minimum balance required. So you can have a several $1,000 balance or a less than $100 balance. They both also offer commission-free trades for stocks and ETFs, which is pretty awesome. For trading options, both have $0 commissions for actually executing trades, but there's always going to be a contract fee when trading options. At baseline, both ETrade and TD Ameritrade have 65-cent option contract fees. However, if you make 30 trades in a quarter with ETrade, that fee is going to drop down to 50 cents. So if you're a big time options trader, ETrade might be the better bet there. ETrade also wins on the baseline commission for mutual funds with a $20 commission versus a $50 commission with TD Ameritrade. However, both of them offer a robust list of no transaction fee mutual funds for you to choose from to avoid those commissions. TD Ameritrade offers a larger number of these funds at 4,000 different funds, while ETrade has 2,500. So if you're primarily interested in investing in mutual funds, TD Ameritrade might be the way to go because they have more options with zero commissions involved. And of course, avoiding any fees and commissions is the name of the game when it comes to investing. Any extra fees you're paying will just eat into the profits you're making from your investments. And if you want more information on investing or credit or anything related to your money, don't forget to check out thesimpledollar.com. Let's get into the types of investments you can make on both platforms. And there's not that big of a difference here because they both offer the basics: stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and options. And if you're looking to get into the more advanced stuff that we're gonna be talking about, you're probably not watching this video, but it's still worth going over because who knows what you might wanna be putting your money into in the future. ETrade has more options when it comes to trading in futures with over 200 different options, while TD Ameritrade only has 50 futures products. However, TD Ameritrade does offer Forex trading or foreign exchange trading, which is essentially trading currency. As you probably well know, the US dollar has a different value in comparison to euros, pounds, or really any other foreign currency, and TD Ameritrade lets you make trades based on the current exchange rate with different currencies. If you're just starting out with investing, these things probably aren't that important to you because futures and foreign exchange are more advanced forms of investing, but there's a definite difference in the investment options you get with both platforms. But if you are a beginner investor, one of the big things you're going to want out of your online brokerage is a great user experience and access to lots of tools and research to get the most out of your investments. From the user experience side, there's really nothing to complain about with either platform. Both offer very customizable pages where you can put in your favorite charts and tools to really dial everything in. Both also offer mobile apps, 2 each, one more for beginner users and one more for advanced users. ETrade's mobile apps are fantastic and are really great for making trades on the go. Like say you set up an alert for a stock to reach a certain price before you want to sell and you happen to be at the doctor's office, it's really easy to execute that trade. Which isn't to say TD Ameritrade's mobile apps aren't good. Users should be able to get a lot out of it, but ETrade's mobile apps are some of the highest rated in the industry. But what about research and learning tools? TD Ameritrade is going to get a bit of an edge here thanks to their Think or Swim platform. It has all kinds of professional level tools, market trackers, historical information about individual stocks, the stock hacker tool, and streaming video from CNBC. Plus they offer all kinds of educational resources, articles, blogs, and webinars, and all of this comes at no extra cost to you. ETrade is no slouch in this department either. Their ETrade Pro platform gives you plenty of tools to research which stocks you want to invest in, but it's just really hard to beat that Think or Swim platform. Everything else between these two brokerages is pretty much the same. They both offer retirement accounts, robo-advisors, professionally managed portfolios, and they even have some physical locations you can go into for in-person in-person advice. There's so much you can do with both ETrade and TD Ameritrade, and it's honestly too much to go over in this single video. Be sure to check down below in the description for our full written reviews of both. They should be linked for you down below in the description. But all that being said, which one should you choose? Now, we don't really think there's a wrong decision to be made here, but if you're just starting out in investing and you want access to the best research and learning tools, or you see yourself getting into foreign exchange trading, TD Ameritrade is probably the better way to go. They offer more in terms of research and education, and they offer more zero-fee mutual funds. And mutual funds are a great, relatively safe way to get started with investing. On the other hand, if you see yourself as more of a day trader, making trades all the time, maybe on the go, ETrade might be your better pick. Their mobile apps are fantastic, and they reward highly active traders by lowering the price per contract of options trades, which could be really appealing to some people. But we think both options are great for all kinds of investors, and they're both super popular for a reason. Let us know what you think though. Do you have any experience with either ETrade or TD Ameritrade? Write us down below in the comments. You'll be helping out a lot more people than just us. And if you want to help us out, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to The Simple Dollar for all the best information about your finances. For The Simple Dollar, I'm Owen. I'll see you in the next one.